Good habits for healthy lifestyle. Developing good habits for a healthy lifestyle is crucial for overall well-being. Here are some key habits to consider incorporating into your daily routine. Balanced diet. Eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Control portion sizes to avoid overeating. Limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and high-sugar beverages. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Limit sugary drinks, sodas, and excessive caffeine consumption. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week. Incorporate strength training exercises at least 2 days a week. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a consistent sleep schedule and optimize your sleep environment. Limit alcohol and avoid smoking. Consume alcohol in moderation, if at all. Avoid smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke. Hobbies and interests. Pursue hobbies and interests that bring you joy and relaxation. Make time for activities you're passionate about. Environmental awareness. Contribute to a cleaner environment by reducing waste and conserving resources. Spend time outdoors and connect with nature. Remember that forming new habits takes time and consistency. Start with 1 or 2 habits, gradually incorporate more, and be patient with yourself as you work toward a healthier lifestyle.